Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't uploaded any videos recently. I was in the process of moving, but I have been recording and I do have new videos coming up. This is going to be a quick video on how I clean my Cricut mat. I was going to buy a new one and I ran into this awesome spray that helped me clean my mat, and I no longer had to buy a new one. This was my second mat that I cleaned, so stay tuned to learn how to clean it with this spray. So as you saw, my mat was super dirty and gunky, just with stuff that had built up there over time. So you're gonna need this totally awesome LA's totally awesome spray. I did find it at the Dollar Tree for only $1. I know you can also find it at Walmart. And you're going to need your scraper and some wipes, and of course you're also going to need your dirty mat. I did start off by taking off tape that I had stuck on there. Since my mat was no longer sticky, I was having to tape down my vinyl when cutting my designs, and I started off by just taking that all off. The LA's Totally Awesome spray is an all-in-one cleaner, degreaser, and is a spot remover, and it can be used on any stubborn stain, so that's why I picked it up when I saw it at the Dollar Tree. It's also non-toxic and biodegradable. Here I went to go get just a scrap piece of vinyl to just show you how my mat was no longer sticking. I was having to use tape to tape it off. If not, when my machine was cutting, it would lift and it would ruin my design. So I would have to go ahead and tape that down. So as you can see, my mat wasn't sticking and wasn't performing well. So that's why I decided to go ahead and clean my mat. So what I did, I just started off by spraying the entire mat with the LA's Totally Awesome spray. After spraying, I did wait a little bit just so that it can set on there. So I grabbed my Cricut scraper and I just started scraping the mat. Try not to scrape too hard, because if you do, it'll lift the stickiness off your mat. So just apply some pressure but not too much. And I just started going downward on my mat. I did find that a card or any kind of card works better than a scraper. I end up using a card up ahead, a little up ahead on this video. I felt like the card was picking up more of the gunk off the mat than the actual Cricut scraper. So you're just gonna kind of, wherever you see more lint or gunk, you're just gonna scrape that part, and the degreaser is going to help just pick that right off your mat. If you do spray this spray like on a table or anything, just try to put like some cardboard or anything, something down under it, because when I did spray it on my dinner table, it did stain it a little bit, but I was going to paint this table, so I didn't really care. So I did end up using a card, as you can see, and that was picking up more of the gunk out. Just scraping downward, and wherever you see more gunk, you just go ahead and, apply more pressure there. As you can see, the card was picking up a lot of the gunk out. As you can see, there's so much gunk coming off of my mat. It's actually pretty disgusting. So after I'm done scraping the whole mat, I did go in with some baby wipes and just cleaned all that up, all that gunk that came out of my mat. And then I did go in with more wipes to just clean off the area, clean off the scraper, and I did clean off the mat with baby wipes just to get off any gunk that the scraper might have left behind. I did let my mat dry for a couple hours before testing to see if it was sticky again. I let it dry for about 2 to 3 hours. But as you can see, my mat is super clean. So here's my mat dried up already, and as you can see, it's super clean. And I did add that scrap piece of vinyl to see if it was gonna hold up, and it was holding up pretty well. It's not lifting anymore like it was before, and my mat is sticky again. So thanks for watching. Give this a try. It's super inexpensive and totally worth it.